let's see how to use Immersive Reader in Microsoft Word. So first off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now to use Immersive Reader, head on over to the View tab right here and click this option to open Immersive Reader. And as you can see, the layout of our document has entirely changed. Now, Immersive Reader has a lot of features that you can use to help yourself read the document better. For example, you can change the column width. If you have trouble seeing it as very wide or very narrow, you can change it to suit your preferences. Let's go ahead and click on these options. Now, you can also change the page color. Now, let's say that you want to view it in a black background and white text since it helps since it feels better for your eyes, for example. Now let's go ahead and click on page color and click on black. That will automatically adjust the text to become visible. Now you can also read it by line by clicking on line focus, which is 1 line, 3 lines, or 5 lines. Now let's see what that does. Now, as you can see right here, we have set it on 1 line, and that allows us to scroll the document per line. Now, if we select 3 lines, it allows us to see the document every 3 lines. And for 5 lines, it goes for 5 lines. You can also adjust the text spacing to become wider or narrower. You can also set it to be viewed as syllables, such as this. And lastly, you can have your document read it aloud to you by clicking on Read Aloud. And that is how you use Immersive Reader in Microsoft Word. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.